Everyone is hyping up iOS 26.2, but is it actually better than the classic iOS 18? After testing it on the iPhone 16, I have some serious concerns you need to hear. I'm Protech Genius, and before we get to the good stuff, we need to talk about the negatives that Apple is hiding. Let's be real, iOS 26.2 is a resource hog. Compared to the lightweight iOS 18, this update takes up an extra 8 GB of system storage. I've also noticed occasional frame drops in the control center that simply didn't exist in the older versions. It feels like the software is finally pushing the iPhone 16 to its absolute limit. We still have the positives to get to, but if you want the honest truth about every Apple update, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Protech Genius family for reviews that don't hold back. Now, here is where it beats iOS 18, the visuals. iOS 26.2 introduces ultra-liquid glass. Unlike the flat look of iOS 18, this adds real-time translucent depth. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Display and text size and ensure reduced transparency is OFF. The way the light interacts with the icons is something iOS 18 just can't do. While it uses more storage, the Siri response time and AI photo editing are nearly 3 times faster than they were on iOS 18. The iPhone 16's A19 chip finally feels like it has software that actually utilizes the neural engine for instant object removal and text summarization. If you value storage and 100% bug-free stability, stick with your older setup. But if you want the most futuristic-looking UI and the fastest AI tools ever seen on a phone, iOS 26.2 is the winner. It's a massive leap forward from the iOS 18 era. iOS 26.2 is a beast, but only if you configure it correctly. To fix those storage and battery issues I mentioned earlier, you absolutely have to watch my guide on the settings you need to change immediately. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to optimize your iPhone 16 for this update.